Going to study effect of heat on some salts. So first of all we are taking white salts. This is zinc carbonate, a white amorphous powder. I am going to heat it. We always heat the test tube, keep the test tube in a tilted way for the equal distribution of heat. This amorphous, white amorphous slowly changes to yellow. Check, slowly it changes to yellow. Now this yellow is zinc oxide. Yellow is zinc oxide. Check, yellow. A light yellow color is there. We continue with the process. So a yellow residue the gas that is released, check, so let's see, the gas is carbon dioxide that extinguishes the flame. A colorless gas is evolved, that is carbon dioxide, and now it's clearly seen a yellow residue. So this is effect of zinc carbonate, effect of heat on zinc carbonate. Our next salt is, normally nitrates are crystalline salts. So these nitrates, they give a particular type of sound, noise, that is known as crackling. Just listen carefully. Check, this is called crackling sound. Crackling. This crackling is breaking off bigger crystals into smaller ones. Now see, a reddish brown color gas is evolved, that is a confirmatory test for nitrates. As nitrates, when decompose, they give a reddish brown gas. And check the color of residue. This is also reddish brown. This reddish brown residue is lead oxide. So this proves that this salt is lead nitrate. Students are not taking zinc nitrate because I already showed you yellow residue of zinc oxide. So zinc nitrate also, check, zinc nitrate also gives reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide, and only the residue is yellow in color. So we are keeping this for some time, it will change into yellow. Next salt is sodium carbonate crystals, washing soda crystals. We are going to heat. So normally the carbonates are amorphous, but because of 10 molecules of water, this is crystalline in nature. Now check, immediately when we heat, it is going to change into a sticky mass of sodium carbonate, and water droplets appear on the inner walls of the test tube. So a sticky mass, check sticky mass, that sticks to the test tube. So now this is amorphous sodium carbonate that is left behind when 10 molecules of water they evaporate. 10 molecules of water evaporate, leaving behind a sticky mass of amorphous sodium carbonate. And the last white salt is ammonium chloride. White salt is ammonium chloride. Before taking ammonium chloride, now just check, this is the same zinc oxide that turned yellow on heating. Now it turned again white on cooling it. And the last experiment is ammonium chloride, effect of heat on ammonium chloride. So again it's a white crystalline solid. We are heating it. This ammonium chloride is a sublimate. Sublimates are the substances that changes directly from solid to gaseous state. And you are observing white fumes of vapors of ammonium chloride. These are white fumes of vapors of ammonium chloride. Look, white fumes of ammonium chloride, gaseous, and when they strike against the inner walls of the test tube, cooler ones, they again condense and stick there as solid ammonium chloride. So this white layer is solid ammonium chloride. This is identification of ammonium chloride. This white layer identifies the salt is ammonium chloride and white fumes are of ammonium chloride. Thank you, student. This is the effect of heat on white substances.